You've been optimizing your landing pages for conversions, but Google has been using them for something else entirely different. Under AI Max, your website isn't just where the click goes. It's how Google decides which queries to match it with, what to write in your ads, and which pages to send traffic to. My name is Rob, I run Kaliber, and here's what it means for every page in your domain. Your website had nothing to do with Google Ads targeting for 20 years. AI Max ended that. Under the old model, Google needed one thing from you, a keyword. Someone typed it, the ad appeared. Your website's job started after the click, once the user arrived on the landing page. Yes, Google did need to read to check for relevance and score that, but ultimately, you could still show up despite doing a poor job. Now the script is flipped. Queries aren't keywords anymore, they're situations. For example, I'm working from home and need something quiet that fits under my standing desk. No keyword list covers that. You need to do a good job first before you can show up through AI Max. At Google Marketing Live 2026, Google told every advertiser in the room 6 principles needed for websites to show up in AI search. And here's what they said. 1. Lead with what only your brand can say. Be specific, not generic. 2. Share reviews and first-hand experiences that only you can provide. 3. Focus on what's helpful for the customer. 4. Think beyond text. Images and videos are pulled into AI search results as well. 5. Get your site structured for users, systems, and agents. And 6. Keep product listings accurate in Merchant Center and Google Business Profiles. These same content signals that earn organic visibility and AI overviews are the same signals that AI Max uses for matching and creative generation. The most important thing about AI Max that most people miss is Google reads your website before it runs your ads. Under AI Max, Google reads your pages before the auction. It finds which queries you're eligible for, what your ad should say, and where the click should land on your domain. That reading happens before a user types anything in. Before the bid, before the click, your website went from post-click destination to pre-auction signal. That's the shift. So now you need to stop treating your website and your Google Ads as separate decisions. Under AI Max, they're the same one. The team building your website and the team running your Google Ads are probably 2 separate groups. Under AI Max, that separation will cost you. Change a page and Google rewrites your ads. Move a URL and you lose the traffic going to it. Restructure your site and the matching resets. Everything has a clear cause and effect now. The silos between web, content, SEO, and paid search aren't just inefficient anymore. They're an operational risk. Pages now need to work for 3 audiences simultaneously. The human that lands in them, the matching system deciding whether to show the ad or not, and the generation model that's writing the copy. Everyone says landing pages are a conversion tool, but now under AI Max, they're influencing how your ads get written dynamically. Text customization, one of AI Max's 3 core features, generates your headlines and descriptions from your landing page titles, your meta descriptions, and your body content. It doesn't invent, it extracts and adapts. Outdated copy produces outdated ads. Vague positioning produces vague ad copy. Legally unsafe claims on a page produces legally unsafe ad creative. The quality of your website copy is now a paid media variable. Everybody knows what category pages are, but have you heard of situation pages? A category page tells Google what you sell. Aesthetic Clinic Singapore, performance marketing agency, that gets you into the auction for users who already know the category that they want. A situation page tells Google who you serve and when. Why does my skin look loose after weight loss? How to reduce acne scars before a wedding. The first type captures bottom of funnel demand, and the second captures demand before users know what they're looking for. AI mode runs on the second type. Most websites only have the first. So please, stop writing situation pages just to rank. That's the wrong brief entirely. A situation page built for SEO is optimized for a bot reading it later. A situation page built for AI Max needs to be commercially clear now. Who's it for, what problem it solves, and what the conversion action is. An education blog post and a situation page can cover the same topic, but only one of them belongs in AI Max's URL pool. The difference is specifically the commercial intent, and Google can tell. Here are the first 3 types of pages every AI Max ready site needs. Most sites only have one of them. Commercial pages, specific, conversion ready, and clearly stating the offer and who it's for. Location pages, pairing the service with geography for local and geo-intent queries. And situation pages, mapping the problem-led long-form queries that AI mode runs on. If the site only has commercial pages, AI Max is operating with a fraction of the matching material it needs. It's not underperforming, it's underfed. Most people are looking at the wrong areas of their AI Max report. Focus on these two things to know exactly what's working for your campaign. Google added 2 new rows under AI Max in the keywords report. AI Max expanded matches, which is traffic led by your keyword list, and AI Max landing page matches, which is traffic matched from your domain content. And this is completely outside your keywords. If the second row is bigger than first, your website is running more of your campaign than keywords are. Most advertisers have never looked at this split. Most don't even know which signal is actually doing their targeting. Before you enable final URL expansion, this exact order you should order your website before doing anything. First, crawl every page. Classify each one. What's eligible for AI Max, excluded, needs improvement, or do not use at all. Second, study what gets blocked first. Blog posts with no conversion intent, all promotional pages, and any page with legally unreviewed claims. Finally, build the exclusion list before final URL expansion goes live. Once active, Google will explore the domain. You want it to find a curated pool, not the full archive. Most advertisers turn on final URL expansion without realizing Google can now send paid traffic to any page on their domain. Not just in the URL in the ad, any page. When final URL expansion is active, Google can override the URL that you place in the ad. If it judges that another page on your domain is more relevant to the query, that's where the click goes. Your entire site becomes a pool of potential landing pages. The question stops being, which URL did I assign to this ad? And becomes, which URLs have I allowed for Google to consider, and which have I blocked? Most advertisers haven't answered the second question, and that's where the risk sits. So to sum up everything, Google is now using your website for more than just conversion. It has moved from your website being a post-click destination to now a pre-auction signal. We've now changed our entire playbook for search in the AI era, and it all centers around your website. If you want to see how this works for your brand, you can reach out to us directly. If this was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. It helps us grow our channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.